Welcome to Ninja Monkey, another Vlogmas, another day, getting closer to Christmas, exciting.
Very exciting.
I have Therese, thank you so much, seriously, she's come and seen me so many times already.
Thank you.
So, you know, there's nothing better than collaborating with people, and it's, I think people get a bit tired of seeing me on my own, I don't know.
No,
What do you think?
I don't think so.
What are we making?
So this is a chocolate recipe that is like a chocolate ball. I'm sure there's all over the world, but anyway, this is something that we do, and it's very common in like children's parties.
Right.
You put them out for the children, they really like it. So it's a chocolate ball rolled in sugar. What can be better?
Alright, and so let's go over some of the ingredients the same, similar fashion as last time. 1 deciliter of sugar, 2 tablespoons of coffee.
Yep, which needs to be made when we put it in.
Ah, okay, I didn't know that, so
Yep.
vanilla again.
Yes,
Yeah.
my favorite.
Cocoa.
Cocoa.
And this is a Cadbury's cocoa, my favorite.
Alright, that's good.
Oats. I was sent the recipe by Therese and I just put some porridge oats. I'm sure they'll be fine. Yeah? And some butter, 100 grams of butter.
So this is something that my mum brought from Sweden when she visited me last time. It's called pärlsocker.
Yeah. Oh. Ah.
Yeah. So yeah.
And what's the first thing we need to do?
The first thing we need to do is...
We don't need flour or anything?
No.
Oh, okay.
And it's very good because it also doesn't need the oven. It just needs to be rolled and eaten. 1 deciliter of sugar.
I was telling you about how normally I put the sugar and the butter together.
First.
So 1 deciliter should be around that.
Perfect.
So, okay.
Very good. Perfect.
Bit better.
Well done.
Thank you. Wait, keep it straight.
See,
1.
IKEA is a lifesaver for Swedish people, I think, sometimes.
2, yeah. It's like having an embassy, like in every city, you know, like.
Yeah, I like in Christmas as well. You have the glögg and the julmust and all of these things that is sort of what you have for Christmas.
Oh.
You need it. So ignore it then. You put in the cocoa. 2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons, okay.
Yeah, like this.
Yeah, why not?
1 and no, it's not cocoa.
Yeah. Yeah. So, and you actually sort of, you've written some other stuff, no? Other than just your, you know, the symmetry. What would you call that? I think you call it the science series.
Yes, that's the series. Yeah.
The series, no?
Yeah, so that's sort of my baby that I started with and did a lot. And then I brought this one with me for you as well. So this is the Araxian City. Araxian City.
Araxian.
That's how I pronounce it anyway.
Araxian City.
Yes.
I see.
So yeah, this is about like it's a couple. It's a romance sort of fantasy.
Okay.
And again,
I mean, the book that I did read was sort of quite geared towards women.
The target is because it's
definitely not the kind of book that I would have read for myself. You know.
Yeah.
But doesn't mean that I didn't enjoy it. I thought there are things in there that are still very, very interesting, no?
Yeah.
Like, for example, what's the name of that film? Like, what do you call it?
Hunger Games.
Hunger Games.
I got you.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, you
Hunger
did that
Games. So like Hunger Games is sort of like, it's geared more to women, I'd say, no? I don't know, probably.
I suppose.
But it doesn't mean like as a guy you can really still enjoy it because there's lots of action and fighting and stuff like that not going on.
Yeah.
And with your book, the book that I read, I felt that it was sort of the same thing, you know? Like,
my husband says the same. He says
there's a lot of sci-fi. That's why before I said sci-fi fantasy.
Yeah.
Romance.
Portals and so the dimensions. Yeah, my husband says the same. He says that he likes the story, but obviously when I talk about like a triangle drama or like a romance, he sort of wants to tune out. When I talk about the men and the nice. So shall I put on in the next ingredients?
What's the next ingredient?
The next one I've got here for you is vanilla.
Yeah, sure. I mean, I think the batter are still quite lumpy. Put it in and I'll mix it with the spoon before I use my hands.
Like 1 teaspoon. Okay.
Yeah.
There we go. And then the last one that we have to have is the coffee.
Now.
Yes.
How much?
2 tablespoons, and it's not supposed to be overpowering, so not too much of that, because especially when children is involved, they don't like coffee that much.
Oh, making a
yeah,
mess.
that's probably 1. And that's probably another one. That's probably 2 tablespoons.
Yeah. Mmm.
In with your hands.
Ooh. So this one's very different to
It tickles a little bit more.
to the one that we did the other day because feels wrong. No, like it feels a little bit like as if I'm playing with soil. You know?
All right. A bit naughty.
Not naughty, just feels like the soil of the earth. You know, like with little bits of rocks and stuff. So, how does that look?
Yeah, looks nice. I think you need to
think it looks okay, no?
press it maybe a little bit more. Yeah. Yeah, smells nice.
Yeah.
You don't really think it's going to work with oats sometimes.
this is what I'm
but
saying.
Yeah, it does.
And now what?
And now what? Now we need to use this sugar. A lot.
Now we make little balls, is that what we do?
Yes.
So, like, that's sort of size?
Yeah?
Yeah?
And then you have to roll it.
Okay, I'll put it.
So you roll. So I'm not going to get my hands dirty. I'm going to let you do this box.
Ah, you see. And it looks like this. How does that look? How does that look?
That looks great.
Yeah?
That looks delicious. Yeah.
And this you can refrigerate, or do you sort of have to...
No, because it has the butter, I think you need to keep it in the fridge.
Okay.
Yeah. And if you are making it very close to your party, you can always put it in the freezer for a little bit. It's also nice.
I see. So just... But you can eat it now, really, no?
Yeah, there's nothing in there that you can't...
I'm gonna eat it now.
Yeah, you can eat it now. I would recommend with the first bite to have a little bit in the fridge. Maybe you can put it in the freezer for a little bit.
Okay.
Or you can have it.
I'll try it now and then I'll try it in the freezer.
And then you can tell which one you like the best.
Where would you find this, like in Sweden? Like in a kids' party or...?
Yeah, so kids' parties in Sweden is different to here in Gibraltar. Because here in Gibraltar, you do them you hire a party place, and you have different snacks and things, and the parents come with the children. In Sweden, it's more like you invite your closest friends only and your family into your house, and you sit and you bake normally something, and you treat, you're just your nearest family. So you don't really have that sort of party. So then you do.
I think in Gibraltar, I think that a lot of people, they have that sort of like Swedish party, like with their very close friends and family, also, and then they have a separate party with the school friends.
The school, yeah.
So, and usually in the like family ones, like maybe your auntie will make a cake, your granny will bring whatever her famous whatever little donuts, or
Yeah.
So
it would be in that sort of party.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then they bring it out.
So yeah, I have an idea for a future video, which is also to do with baking. But I don't want to like do all baking, in this vlogmas. But I can't help it, it's something
nice.
that is nice to do with people,
Yeah.
and you kind of get to know people a little bit better by baking.
By baking, to see what they like and to learn some new recipes. It's nice.
Yeah. So I've learned a few new recipes. Hopefully I won't forget them.
It will be. You can always Google them. It's always.
And you can put this recipe also in your
I'll
website.
send some links. I'll add this video and then I'll put some links as well.
Yeah,
so
that's
you
it.
can
That's
find
it. It's a good idea.
Yeah. Yeah. And that's gonna be moreish. Yeah. Good.
It's crispy. I'm gonna try one. This one.
It's a bit soft now with the
Doesn't
butter
matter.
being soft.
All right. So let's see.
Okay. Let's see what you think. for all the Swedish nostalgic people, tell them. Did you like it? Yes? Thumbs up? Good. Chocolate is thumbs up.
Surprisingly more chewy than what I thought it was going to be.
Yeah.
Because the oats, you know, I thought it was going to be more crumbly. And I think what does it is the sugar.
Yeah. If nothing else, you can eat the sugar. Yeah.
Because the sugar's like really, really crispy.
Yeah. And this you can have some nyponsoppa maybe.
Oh yeah. We've got some.
Very good. So yeah, we made some here. So this is.
Who drinks this?
This is like a tea. You can. Well, it's for everyone, anyone.
Yeah.
But I remember as a little child, I had it. Yeah, it's to fill you up a little bit before dinner. Not just before dinner, but to have a tea. And
what is it made out of?
so yeah, the bushes grows and it has these little fruits, and which is the rosehip. And then I guess they make it from there, this type of soup. So it's quite an acquired taste, I have to say. It smells of fish.
It smells of dirty water.
So yeah, so you put that over there.
Not for
But
me.
anyway.
Do you like it?
I can drink it, I don't mind, but it's not a favorite, no.
Have you ever had this?
Does anyone like this?
Does anybody like it? Because she's like, yeah, I can drink it, but really behind the scenes she was like...
let's put it over there.
Once again, I'll put all the information, all the links in the comments below. Check out her website, check out her Amazon, and you know, if you're interested, if you're looking for something to read, then give it a try. Her first book is free, I think, from your website.
Yes, that's right.
Something like that. So that might be a good way to start. So yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, subscribe if you're new, hit that ding dong notification button so that you can keep up to date with future videos. And that's it. See you soon.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
You and up to the end, don't need to pretend.